Good morning, welcome to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day and had a nice weekend. Hope lockdown is treating you not so badly. Today, next couple of days, going to be busy days. Got all the stage 3 parts to be fitted. So I've got my new wheelie toolbox that my wonderful wife got me for my birthday. Awesome. I've already put the car up on jack stands, taken the wheels off. So the next thing to do is take the front bumper off. It's a pain in the ass, but you don't need to see me do that, so maybe a quick time lapse. All right, thanks. Okay, so the front of the car is off, as you can see. Interesting, and now I can have a proper look at my oil cooler, which I rather like. It's quite fancy, is the word I would use, fancy. So next things first things first, what I've done is I've disconnected the main airflow or air sensor. So now I've got to undo the 2 bolts on the turbo side, and we can start getting that off. Great. Okay, downpipe is out. That was an effort. Jesus Christ, that was an effort. But she's out, and it's time to get the new one out, lay it out, and see what we got. Okay, so I've got the sensors out. It's now time for a cup of tea, biscuit. Obviously, it's getting a bit warm outside. So now I've got to put the old sensors in the new downpipe. I've made a note of which side came out of which, as they are different apparently. So off we go. Let's get the new one unboxed, see what we got. First time I've opened all of this properly. I think that's the reducer. Beautifully welded. Good look. Lovely. Nice V-band clamp. Just tighten it up. Oh, and it also comes with a new. No, hang on. No.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined.
And yes, Harvey, it's fancy.
Ain't nowhere
Okay, so it's just putting the copper grease onto the O2 sensors.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined.
2 sensors fitted. See? Standard. And then I get to put this bit inside the car. Beautiful. Well, this is the first for me. I need a step. And that is that. All the sensors are connected. So let's give you a look of what it looks like in the engine bay. I'm knackered. So let me step again. So there you go. Nope. Oh, there we go. You can see the downpipe connection to the turbo. Show you underneath. And there we go. Oh, nice high flow downpipe fitted. Okay, next on my list, intercooler and intercooler piping. So that has got to go on. All of that has got to come out. That's where that is. That. So a bit of time lapse, I think, because you don't need to see me struggling to take that apart like I did with the exhaust. So without any messing around, let's crack on. So a lot of you have probably used the COBB access port before. So basically you plug it in, turn the ignition on but don't start the engine, go to tune, change ECU map, and you'll see it's loading the map. So I've got stage 1, 2 and 3 on here. Let's go with the stage 1, 95 RON, stage 3, 91 octane. So let's do this. Let's just basically I've just turned everything off. You'll see it generates vehicle data. It's going through, it's going to bong a few times. It's now doing the flash. You can see there it's at 4%. It's cracking through. So it's quite exciting. Looking forward to hearing the first cold start, but then I've got to check for exhaust leaks and boost leaks. I'm pretty certain all my clamps are at full tightness. I'll put the camera behind for the first cold start after the tune. So we're at 67, 68, cracking along, doing the updates. Nearly there. %. Does all of the clicks and pops and everything that it needs to do. So that's the map updated. So I've now got to turn the ignition off for at least 15 seconds for the first cold start. Okay, here we go. First cold start with the new tune. So that seems to work. Everything seems good. All my pressures are good. There's no exhaust blowing. Sounds amazing. It's got a proper burble to it now, which is exactly what I wanted. So now I've just got to put everything back together.